Hello. All right, today we are going to be using our warm colored coffee filter and we are going to be making a fall tree. So let me quick show you a demonstration on how to make a tree. I like to make a Y tree, and a Y tree just literally means it looks like the letter Y, okay? So let me grab my brown paper. And I'm going to draw today with a Sharpie. Draw with a pencil though at your seats. It's just that when I draw with pencil, you guys can't see it very well. So I'm going to start at the bottom here, and I'm going to start making my letter Y, and I'm going to try to use most of this paper, okay? Now, a quick rule about trees is the base of the tree or the bottom of the tree and tree branches is thicker than the top part. So as you go up, your tree should get skinnier and skinnier or thinner and thinner, okay? So, and trees, the beauty of this project is they're not perfect. Trees grow all different ways. So please don't get frustrated with yourself if it's not turning out perfect. There's no perfect tree. Okay, so I'm going to start down here. I'm kind of curving inward. Then I'm going to go out, okay, and then I'm going to have it come to a point, and I'm going to turn around, and it's thin, and now I'm getting thicker, thicker, thicker as I go down, but I'm going to stop because I'm trying to make a letter Y. Then I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to make a curved line going the other way, so it's curving in towards the center on this side. I'm going to go up, and I'm going to stop, turn around, and it's thin. I'm going to gradually have it get thicker and thicker and thicker until it connects right there. So now it's not a perfect letter Y, but it just resembles a letter Y. Now, as you add branches to the tree, the rule is the same. The branches are thicker when they connect to this branch, and they get thinner as they go out. Okay, so however many branches you want to add, they're thicker down here where they connect to the main branch, and then they will get thinner. I might actually make this a little mini letter Y. See how if it looks like a Y if I go like that? Okay, and so you can make as many branches as you like, but they will look a little more realistic if you keep that rule where they're thinner as they go out towards the edge of the branch, and they are thicker where they connect, okay? Now you're probably like, Mrs. Constein, I can see all of your lines right here. Well, once I cut this out, I'll show you on the one that I already did. Once I cut it out, like this one, I drew on this side, but when I glue it onto my coffee filter, I'm gonna put the glue on this side where you can see all those lines and glue it down, and then you won't see all of those pencil lines, okay? So just a little trick to help hide those things that maybe you don't want to see. Now, as you're cutting, let's talk about cutting. This part's pretty easy. Cutting can get kind of frustrating for kids, and I get it. Now, as you go out, you might want to just cut off some of these big chunks like that, okay? And then when you're trying to cut out these tiny little branches right here, start from the outside edges of your paper and go in, okay? Now I'm going to do it here. I'm going to go from the outside edge, and I'm going to go in right there, and then I can take that piece off. It makes it a little easier than trying to get into these small little curved places right here, and it's hard to turn the corner with my scissors like that. So if I come from the outside and I cut all the way to that sharp, sharp corner, and then I go from the outside into right there, there. See? Now I don't have to turn that corner. It's not too difficult. Okay, so I'm going to keep going, cutting this out. I might add a couple more branches. That's why I didn't cut this center out. I want some more branches in here. Trees don't just have branches on this side. they actually have branches all over the place. So I'm going to add a little bit more to this one before I complete it. All right, you guys, good luck with your fall trees. I hope these turn out really beautiful for you all.